Today's episode of Under 2 Minutes, I am going to show you how to manipulate and change objects that have been drawn inside because these are now clipping groups. So the object itself, as you can see here, is a clipping group of two different shapes because I have drawn inside this rectangle here to use as a shading. So if I wanted to change the color of this raindrop, and select something different, it's going to change the entire raindrop and override what you have already drawn inside, and we don't want to do that. So there's two ways to go about this. You can either use the layers panel, open up that clipping group and select what you want individually. Then you can go ahead and change the color here. It's going to allow you to do that. Now if I wanted to change the color of the actual drawn inside shading, I can do that as well by using the layering panel. Now you can also, once selected, change the angle, rotate it, move it around as you see fit. There is an easier way to do this, and that is isolation mode. So all you have to do is double click that object that's been drawn inside and it isolates the clipping group. So now you can just select these individually and do the exact same thing you were already doing. It's much easier to do it this way than having to navigate through the layers, find your clip group, select it. Once you have a lot of things in your layering, you're going to want to start using isolate. But at the beginning, you can just use the layers panel or isolate depending on your preference. I was just showing you both ways, but that is how you manipulate an object that has been drawn inside to change things around. Very simple.